Hello, welcome to Witsconnect. I, J. Vijay Chandra, welcomes you all to Witsconnect. Today we are going to discuss about SQL, Structured Query Language. As part of Structured Query Language, it is a high-level language, it is free format language, and it is very flexible, and using different types of commands we are going to manage the database. Whereas it is portable, that means we can do work on one and we can send to other type of the database systems. So these are the major advantages of SQL, where it works on the back-end process. SQL commands will work on the back-end process, whereas the front-end it may be Visual Basic, it may be Visual C++, it may be Java, whatsoever the front end, the background process will be done on the databases using the SQL language, structured query language. The structured query SQL will work on different databases such as MySQL, MS Office, that is MS Access. In MS Office, the database related component is the MS Access, then Oracle, Sybase, IBM's company is DB2. DB2 is the database supportive. Then comes to the Ingress. These are all the different database supporting RDBMS or DBMS softwares which will work, where we can work by using the SQL commands. So SQL is the structured query language which is the most important for data retrieval, for the sake of data retrieval, data manipulation, for the sake of data retrieval, data manipulation, and so it even useful for manipulation such as insert, delete, update, then retrieving the data, searching, and even storing the data. So what we are going to discuss is regarding the SQL. SQL means structured query language. What I said, this SQL, the first is DDL, data definition language. In SQL, the first one is DDL, which can use to create a table, It is used to drop a table, that means you can delete a table, that means DDL is used to create a table, it is used to drop a table, it is used to alter the table, you can do the changes in here you get DDL, data definition language, and then comes to truncate. It is used to truncate, that means you can delete the contents without changing the structure of the table. So these are the commands which are used for in the set of DDL. In DDL set, data definition language set, we have 4 commands. One is create, drop, alter, truncate. Then comes to DML, data manipulation language. So in DDL, create, drop, alter, truncate. In DML, data manipulation language, insert. In data manipulation language, insert, update, then after update, delete. So these are the different commands which are used in data manipulation language. This is about the data manipulation language. Then data control language, DCL. In DCL, 2 commands are used, grant, and next is revoke. See, someone want to give permission once, means you will get the grant, that means principal or HOD, your leave letter will be granted, leave will be granted. And revoke, that means undo of the grant undo is the revoke. Then comes to TCL, transaction control commands. Those are commit, rollback, Those are commit and rollback. The next is save point. Then comes to the most important concept here is DQL, data query language. It is having only one command which is the most important, that is select. Select is the command used by DQL. So these are the different commands which are used in SQL. First one is DDL, data definition language. In data definition language you will see create, then comes to drop, then alter, truncate. Whereas DML, insert, you can insert the row or you can insert the data, update. At the end you can insert, you can even delete the rows. Grant, you will get the permission with some combination. Then that grant can be revoked. So these two are data control language. So data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language. Then transaction control language. In transaction control language, the commands used are commit, rollback and save point. Next is data query language. In data query language, the command used is the select. So this is a brief introduction regarding the SQL. By this I am ending this session. Thank you.